So now that you have a general idea of the different workspaces that exist within Ableton Live, let me show you one of the most important things that every beginner should know. So if we just go over here in the software down to the very bottom left-hand corner, you'll see this little triangle. And once you click on it, it will open up what is known as Info View. Let's just read what it says. The Info View provides a brief description of the user interface element that the mouse is currently over. So basically what this does is it lets you mouse over whatever it is you want in the entire program, and it will tell you down here in the info view what that particular thing is for. So let's just experiment real quick. What's this for? The track activator. Activate this button to hear the track or deactivate it to mute the track. So this is also known as mute buttons on most mixing desks. What about this? Solo cue. Track title bar. Master track title bar, play button, stop button, and so on and so forth. So you can see it's really, really cool. A lot of the times also, apart from just explaining what it does, it will also give you keyboard shortcuts. For instance, if I go over the stop button right here, it says stop button obviously, and then click to stop playback, space, toggle play and stop. So if I push the space bar, you'll see it starts and stops the track. This is very, very useful if you want to really get into knowing Ableton really, really well. So I highly recommend you use Info View at the beginning as much as possible to really learn all of the different things quickly.